Hello everyone, it's Graham from Lakeside, and I thought I'd give you a brief update on the train room. As you can see, this is now progressing very nicely. The walls are all painted, and down the stairwell. I'm just going along that bottom edge now. So all that area is now done. I've now got a 37-inch monitor stroke television mounted on that wall there, which is the only wall really I can place it, and it should be, well it is, it's way above where the US track will be. So that's absolutely ideal place for it. That's the only flat wall I've got really, and behind that wall, I don't know if you know it, but behind that wall is a toilet and washroom. So I'm really cosy up here now, because that part of the wall is still to do. That top part of the wall there is all finished, so there's just the ceiling and that far end wall there, and this part to do as regards painting. And lo and behold, the air conditioning and the heating is now installed and up and running, and it's absolutely fabulous, absolutely fabulous. I'm so pleased with this. I walked up just now, and it's been on for about I don't know, 3/4 of an hour, and I've set it to 22 degrees and it's perfect, absolutely perfect. And that fan you can hear will cut out when it reaches a certain temperature, i.e. 22 degrees, and then it will kick in again when the temperature drops. So I can leave that running all night if I want, set it on say 17 degrees, 16, 17, just take the chill off, and then when I know that I'm working on here, I can come up, put it on to 22 degrees or 21 degrees or whatever I want, and then within a few minutes, because of the size of the room, to be honest with you, then it doesn't take very long at all to heat up. So summer and winter will be absolutely fabulous to work up here. I can keep it lovely and cool in the summer and warm in the winter. So this now makes a really nice working environment up here. That was the major thing I wanted. So with my new electrics installed, I've got these, obviously the safety switch down there now installed, so I can power off everything with one flick of the switch. The new sockets there, and I've got two more here which will go over that side, one there and one there. So my next job really is to clear everything what you see here. The boxes will go there in that corner there, so that will give me a lot of space to clear up, and then the rest I can put down in the garage, and then that will leave me clear then to do the next part, which is the baseboards. But as you know, I wanted to get this room absolutely perfect first before even attempting the baseboards. It's going to be worth it, because I want to put the baseboards up in a room where I haven't got to fiddle and flaff around like I did before. So getting all these jobs done now, including the LED lighting here, television, heating, air conditioning, electrics, the master power switch, getting all that done now is really what this was all about. Then I know I can build the layout in comfort afterwards. So that's about it. I just thought I'd pop this up just so you get an idea of where we're at. I can't do much this weekend because I've got a really busy weekend, so this will probably have to wait until Monday, I should think, before I get up here again. But at least with this, I can work in comfort. And it's all done by a remote here, and at the moment it's 22 degrees, so that should be cutting out shortly. And there's a fully auto mode on it, so I can just leave it to whatever I want. Set a nighttime temperature and a daytime temperature, and it will do it all for me. So it will come on, say, I don't know, 8 o'clock if I choose in the morning, and warm it up for me before I come up here. So it's looking really, really good. So pleased with the way this is coming out, I really am. It's got to be a joy to come up here and work now. And of course the important thing really is that it's going to be an all year round working environment for me. I won't have to come up here in the freezing cold, I won't have to crawl under any baseboards. It's just going to be so nice, which was the plan. Okay, so I will shut the camera down and I will just pop downstairs and show the outside unit as well, because the aircon comes in two parts. Obviously the internal part here, which is the main working part I guess for blowing the air out, but downstairs outside is the condenser unit, so I'll show you that now. So here is the condenser unit, and it's all piped in. Goes all the way up to the entry exit point up the top there, and as you can hear it's very, very quiet. And what I will do is just to build a small trellis work around here so that it allows air to go in and out, and just to stop things like this happening, leaves getting sucked or blown into the outlet. And it will disguise this great big white box. So trellis to be built around that, and then that'll be it, job done. And it took them about 3 to 4 hours to install all this. And it's bang up to date as regards having the R32, you can see it there, refrigerant, which is eco-friendly for the ozone. So yeah, I'm very, very pleased with that. Very pleased. It's completely weatherproof. Obviously these are made to be outside, and the only reason for the trellis is just to hide the white box, to be honest, just to make it a little bit more presentable in the garden. So there you go. Alright, so I will speak to you again later. So bye for now. Oh, the next video will probably be the big boy on my programming track, so keep an eye out open for that, and I'll speak to you then. So bye for now. Bye.